I am Smita and you are watching Top Physics News only on Physics Mind Boggler. In this video, I am going to talk about planet formation, Heisenberg uncertainty principle and Saturn's interior model. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First, let's talk about planet formation. On their long journey to form planets, dust grains may collize with each other much earlier than previously thought. Massive planets start off their life as specks of dust that are too much microscopic in nature to be observed by human eye. Massive planets like Earth that are thousands of kilometers in diameter evolved from submicron particle of interstellar, and that is a quite jump in a scale. Planets are birthed from proplanetary disk, that is a swirling disk of dust and gases around a new star. Ring-like structures have been observed in this disk, and these rings are thought to merge into larger and larger structures over a time and leading to the formation of planet. Now, Ohasi and his co-workers have studied this possible scenario for the formation of these rings by using computer simulations. The result they obtained indicate that the dust may aggregate into larger and larger structures over the time in prostellar stage, while the star is itself forming and much earlier than predicted according to the new theories of planet formation. This is an unexpected finding because the dust disk is still in a state of considerable flux of a prostellar stage, that is hardly a promising place for a dust to accumulate. Now let's talk about very interesting topic of quantum mechanics, that is uncertainty principle. The uncertainty principle first introduced by Werner Heisenberg in late 1920s, and that is the fundamental topic of quantum mechanics. In quantum world, elementary particle like electron that can power all the electrical circuit can also behave like a wave, and that is why particle cannot have well-defined position and momentum simultaneously. For instance, measuring momentum leads to the disturbances in position, and that is why position of the particle cannot be precisely defined. Instead of elementary particle, the team carried out their experiment using much larger object, that is two vibrating drum heads, that is the 1/5 of the width of human head, and that coerced carefully into behaving quantum mechanically. Dr. Laurent Mercier de Lagny said that in our work, the drum heads exhibit a collective quantum motion, that is, the two drum heads vibrate in opposite phase to each other. That is, if one of them is at the end position of the cycle, another one is at the another position of the cycle. But in this situation, the uncertainty of the drum heads may cancel each other if we consider this as a one single quantum entity. This means that the researchers were able to measure position and the momentum of the two drum heads simultaneously, which should not be the case according to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So, breaking the rules allowed them to characterize which weak force is driving the motion of drum heads. Now, last but not least, let's talk about Saturn's interior model. New simulations offer an intriguing look into Saturn's interior model, suggesting that there is a thick layer of helium rain layer on the top of Saturn influences the planet's magnetic field. The new model published in AGU Advance also suggests that there is a higher temperature at the equatorial region and lower temperature at the higher altitudes at the top of helium rain layer. Researchers Sevin Stanley said that if we study the formation of Saturn, then we can also study about the formation of other planets beyond solar system also. The beauty of the Saturn planet is this Saturn planet stands out in all the solar system because the magnetic field of the Saturn is almost symmetrical around the rotation axis. Professor Stanley said that Even the observation they have found from Saturn look perfectly symmetrical, but in their computer simulation, they have interrogated the magnetic field completely. So, this is it for the today. See you in the next video. Till then, take